Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually ship a package in your DHL. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So if you want to ship a package through DHL, what you gotta do is first of all simply just go to your phone browser right there in your mobile phone. So as you can see in the search bar, I have typed in dhl.com right there. So once you do it, once you search it, you will get this kind of home page right there in your mobile phone. Then what you can do is in the home page you can see this option called create a shipment right there in the first option, right? You will simply tap on that option given, and this kind of another interface will open up. Here you can simply track your package as well, but if you want to get a new ship package, what you can do is first of all get your country selected right there, and then you will can see if you read above to ship a package, what you gotta do is internationally that you have to go to My DHL Plus via your desktop or tablet. So you will simply go to your desktop or your tablet that you have available, and you will simply go to My DHL Plus website and simply enter your shipment details and get your package shipped like that. And here what you can do is you can simply go ahead, find a location nearby if that's also concerning regarding your package, or you can get rate and time codes which will really affect your shipment package and will help you out with your shipping as well. So yeah, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.